Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can use Oyster Card on your phone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your App Store and then download TFL Go app from the App Store or Google Play. This is an official app to manage your Oyster and contactless travel. So once you have installed it in your mobile device, head back to your home screen, open up the app. Inside here, go ahead and tap on your profile icon. And now you want to go ahead and simply create an account. Once you create the account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Oyster or contactless and then hit the plus icon. After you've done that, enter your 2-digit Oyster card number to link it. So from here, you can check your balance, view journey, history, tap on your Oyster online. But here's the key thing. You cannot tap your phone to pay with Oyster. It doesn't support Apple Pay or Google Play yet. To travel using your phone, you'll need to use a contactless debit card or credit card or add that to your digital wallet instead. So, to wrap up, use the TFL Go app to manage your Oyster or just tap it with your bank card or mobile wallet for seamless travel. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.